Hello, friends. Today we talk about happiness. Everyone wants to be happy, but happiness is different for each person. Some people feel happy in the morning sun, others with a warm blanket and tea, and some feel happy with family and friends. But what makes us happy? And how can we find happiness every day? Happiness is a warm and bright feeling. It makes you smile. People have thought about happiness for a long time. For some, it is friendship, love, and fun adventures. For others, it is tasty food and a cozy home. Some think happiness is being loved and understood. Happiness is not always something big, it can be many small things. Think about the warm sun on your skin or listening to your favorite song, the smell of fresh bread, or the laughter of friends can also bring happiness. If we look, we can see happiness everywhere. Even a kind word or a small act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day. Happiness is often closer than we think. What did famous thinkers say about happiness? Many smart people have talked about happiness. Aristotle said happiness comes when we do good things. Helping others makes us feel happy. Epicurus said happiness is when we have no pain or worries. He said we should enjoy simple things. Immanuel Kant believed happiness is not the most important thing. Being honest and fair is more important. Happiness will come later. Dalai Lama said happiness comes from inside us. It does not depend on other people or things. Many cultures and traditions also teach about happiness. In some places, people believe that being close to nature brings happiness. Others think that strong community bonds make people happy. Around the world, people celebrate life with music, dance, and shared meals. These moments create joy and connection. What do you think? Do you agree? Scientists also study happiness. Psychologist Martin Seligman said happiness has 5 parts. First, positive emotions like joy and laughter. Second, doing things we love. Third, having good friends and family. Fourth, knowing our life has meaning. Fifth, reaching goals and feeling proud. When people focus on these things, they often feel happier. Another psychologist, Viktor Frankl, said, happiness is understanding why we live. He thought having a goal makes us happy. People who have dreams and things they want to achieve often feel more satisfied with life. Even small goals like learning something new or helping a friend can bring happiness. Can money buy happiness? Many people think money makes us happy. Money helps, but it is not everything. Psychologist Eric Fromm said happiness is not about things, it is about love and friendship. Economist Richard Easterlin said money makes people happier only if they're very poor. When people have enough money for food and a home, more money does not bring much more happiness. Happiness comes from friends, goals, and a good attitude. Studies show that experiences bring more happiness than objects. A new phone might make you happy for a short time, but a fun trip with friends creates memories that last. Giving to others also increases happiness. People who share their time or resources with others often feel more fulfilled. What do you think? What is more important, money or emotions? How can we be happier? Here are some simple tips. Smile more because laughter makes us happy. Be kind because helping others feels good. Appreciate what you have and enjoy small things. Find purpose by doing things that make you happy. Share your happiness because it spreads. Do things you love, like painting, sports, or reading. Dream big because dreams make life exciting. Notice little joys like the smell of coffee, kind words, or nice weather. It also helps to spend time with loved ones. People who have strong relationships often feel happier. Taking care of your health is important too. Eating well, sleeping enough, and exercising can all improve mood. Practicing gratitude by thinking about good things in life can make a big difference. Happiness is not a place we arrive at, it is a journey. It is always there if we look for it. Thank you for reading today